This video is for those who wants to make money online and only them alone. So if you know that making money online is not your thing, please kindly check my end screen for other videos. Now, to those persons who wants to make money online, please come forward, because in this video I will teach you how to make money on Poppo. Guys, I'll be teaching you how you can go live on Poppo, solo live, and how you can organize party. You can as well check my end screen for similar videos on how you can make money on Poppo, how you can make money on TikTok, how you can make money on Bigo, how you can make money on other social media platforms. I will link those videos to my end screen. So if this sounds interesting to you, all I want you to do for me is for you to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that when I drop another amazing video just like this one, you will be the first person to be notified. So because I don't want this video to be long, all I'm going to do at this point is for me to hold you by the hand, take you over to my Poppo app, where I will show you literally everything that you should know about Poppo and how you can start making money within a twinkle of an eye. Come with me, guys, to Poppo. Let me show you everything you need to know about Poppo app. Come with me. First thing you need to do is for you to open the app. Once you open the app, you will see other people live streaming. You understand? You see other people live streaming. So all you have to do at this point, you need to check below. You will see live. You will see live. So you click on it. Now that I have clicked on it, it has brought me to this interface. Guys, Poppo live is in two phases. You understand? So you may choose to go solo live. Like if you're doing solo live, it is just you being live. You understand? Then there is something called party on Poppo. So this is it. Look at the party here. So party means me opening my panel, then people coming to sit on my crown seat, people coming to sit on my panel. That is party. So now I will go live. I will organize a party. I will also do solo live. So you see how both works. So for now, I am going to do solo live. So what this is solo live. I've just clicked on go live. So now that I've clicked on go live, it is telling me that I have not indicated the kind of live stream that I want. So at this point, I'll just say chatting. You understand that I just want to go live and be chatting with people. So now I've chosen chatting, then I've clicked on go live. So now that I've clicked on go live, I've muted my mic now. So what do you need to know about Poppo live is this. Now that I am live, if you check up here, you'll see my coins. If you check up here, you'll see my coins. So like now, Poppo is already telling me that if I live stream for 1 hour, that I'll be given 1,000 coins. If I live stream for 1 hour, I'll be given 1,000 coins. Now, if you check up here, you will see gift gallery. You will see gift gallery. So this is my wish. This is what I want people, those who will be joining my live stream, to give me. So if you live stream and you have people come to your live stream, then they gift you whatever it is in your gift gallery. It is a plus for you. You understand? So if you check up here, you see the numbers of hours. You see the numbers of hours that you have spent. So once it is 60 minutes, you see, if you check here, I don't know if you can see this. If you check this small space, the more you stay on the live stream, the more it will be increasing. The time will be increasing. So once I'm able to stay for at least 1 hour, you see that it will keep increasing. Now, for you to know if you've actually spent an hour on the platform, this is what you have to do. You check below here. You check below. Once you check below, these 3 lines here, what you have to do is for you to click on it. Once you click on it, you can see reward here. You can see reward. So you just click on this reward. You click on it. So now I have clicked on it. Now that I have clicked on it, it has brought me to this interface. You can as well check the numbers of minutes, the numbers of hours that you have spent so far. You understand, on your live stream. So look at it here, daily live. Look at it here, daily live. So I've literally literally I've spent just 1 minute out of the 60 minutes that I'm supposed to be here. So let me show you guys something. Yesterday I was on someone's live stream, so I was able to do exchange yesterday, and I think I did not receive it. So at this point I'll go and receive it. So look at it here. This is the exchange I did yesterday. One thing I recently noticed about Poppo is this: before now, if you sit on the crown seat, you'll be given 1,000 coins. So I think Poppo actually reduced it to 800 coins. So these days, for you to even receive this 800 coins, you need to do exchange for that day. So I did exchange yesterday, so I will now receive it. Once you come, you click on receive like this. Once you click on receive, you see that now I have received my 800 coins. You click on confirm. So what Poppo is actually looking for, Poppo is looking for people who will be active on the platform. You understand? So it's not just all about you coming on the platform and you're not doing any exchange. Remember that this is how they make their money. So guys, at this point, if you want to end the live stream, because I literally want to end this live stream so I can show you how to organize a party. You understand? So let me end the live stream. If you want to end the live stream, you look up here. Once you look up here, you see this X sign. You see this X sign. Once you see the X sign, you click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask you if you want to leave your room. You tell them yes, that you want to leave your room. You click on confirm. So I have ended the live stream. So let me show you how to organize a party. So for you to organize a party, there is nothing different anywhere. You just click on live. Once you click on live, this time around, you check below. You check below here, you see party. You just click on it. Once you click on party, it is now asking me if I want a voice party, or I want a video party. You understand? So the difference between voice party and video party is this: if you are doing a video party, your face will show. If you are doing a voice party, it's just your voice that will be heard. So at this moment, I want to do a voice party, so I'll just click on voice. You understand? So these are the seats. These are the seats available for party. These are the seats available for party. This is 16-man panel. This 16-man panel is mainly for people, for the VIPs. So I can choose this one. I can choose this one. I can as well choose this other one. At this point, all you have to do is for you to choose the seats, the numbers of seats you want. Already, this one is for VIP. So you can choose this one. You can choose this one. You may as well choose this one. So once you choose it, you will have crown seat. You can always permit people to come sit on your crown seat and do their tasks. So after that, you click on hold a party. You click on hold a party. Once you click on hold a party, automatically you will be live. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.